There's a new message on my inbox. Let's see. I made a new grounded video. Check it out. Already checked out.
Emma, you need to take a shower today.
But Dad, it's Saturday. I took a clean as a whistle shower yesterday.
You're going to take a shower and that's final. Take one now or else you're grounded.
Alright, first off, I will take my clothes off. Next off, I will get in the shower. Alright then, I will turn off the shower. Oh no. The water is still running. Oh my god. I broke the shower head.
Emma, get down here right now. Explain about what happened.
Explain what?
Oh my god, honey, get over here.
What is it, Jimmy?
Emma was taking a shower and then she broke the shower head and now water is leaking from the ceiling.
Oh my god, Emma. How could you do such a thing? That's it. You were grounded for 3 5 3 5 8 6 4 7 9 1 2 6 8 9 8 5 4 7 3 5 3 5 8 6 4 7 9 1 2 6 8 9 8 5 4 7 6 3 weeks. Go to your room now.